Okay, it's 9:27 a.m. Eastern on a Wednesday, September 4th, 2024. Just before the market opens here real quick, let's take a look at my account for transparency purposes. This is a small account trading channel on YouTube, and I want to show you all what I'm working with. I have a total account value of $322. My settled cash is the same, $322. I trade with a cash account, and I can only trade with settled funds. So what I am looking at probably doing as I normally do my first trade, I'll trade with roughly half of this, and if the market allows a second trade, I may possibly take a second trade with the other half. So I will pause the video and come back when the market opens, and we'll see how we can do today. Okay, we're 5 minutes into the market. Looking at the top five. ASST up 45%, has made a nice move here this morning. We'll watch this. That's a possibility for us. Not much here. Right now, ASST is the best play. High of day is 321, currently at 312. We're 6 minutes into the market. I'm going to get a small order ready for 50 shares. Pulling back a little bit. Okay, I'll pause the video and keep my eye on an opportunity here. ASST trying to run. It is now third highest gainer in the market. It's moved up a couple notches. Going to get another order ready. A lot of momentum, a lot of action. Numbers are good. 1 million float, 14 million shares traded. High of day 325. I have an order in for 315. Let's see if we get filled. We are filled and in. Profit and loss right here. Average price 315. We only have 50 shares. See if we can squeeze a little bit out of this. Again, high of day is about 327. I'm just pulling down my take profit order. Kind of moving it a little closer to the current price in case I want to take just a little bitty chunk and get out of this thing. 315 is our price entry. Trying to pull back. See if it gets a second wind here. Still third highest on the list as far as the top gainers in the market. Again, high of day 327. Letting this trade breathe a little. Let's see what it wants to do. activity is trying to slow down a little bit. Buyers, sellers, back and forth, trying to come up. Got some buyers trying to come in here. I'd like to see it break a new high of day above 327. Now sellers coming in. Currently up 50% overall. We need a rush of buyers to get in here. Buyers coming in now. See if they can maintain. Trading sideways. Still third highest gainer in the market. Trying to exercise patience. This is still trying to move up. I'm going to allow it to trade a little bit sideways to see what it's going to do. And here we go. Just trying to come up. Got some buyers coming in looking much better. Again, high of day 327. We're almost there. There we go, new high of day. I'm going to set this for 334, see if we can touch that and exit the trade. I may be stretching it a little bit. There we go. All right, we are closed out of that trade. Let's go to the account and see how we did. All right, we made $9.48. That's 2.94%, almost 3% gain on the account. I'm very happy with that. With a small account, I'll take a $10 bill almost if I can get it. I still have $165 left in my account today to trade with. So I will pause this video, keep an eye on the market, and if I get into a second trade, we'll come back. ASST still trying to move up. What I just traded earlier, that's now second highest gainer in the market. High of day is 347. It is pulling back at the moment. I'm keeping an eye on this to possibly do a second trade on it. Halted, dropping. All right, it's 9:45 a.m. Eastern. I'm going to call it a day, and let's go back to the account. I'm going to take just under $10 and call that good for today. So we're currently at $332 in the account, inching up day by day. And this is how you trade a small account. And this is how, as I've said many times in my previous videos, these little gains, these little base hits do add up, and they add up fairly quickly.